Yo, I feel like I'm so far back. Let me slide it up some. Can y'all see me now? What about a little closer? I just want to talk about some crazy shit today. My homeboy was down the street to my dead uncles and crazy. My mom want to know why I want to do comedy. Because I'm telling her, because all your brothers crazy. Why wouldn't I do comedy? If I got one of my uncles went to jail, riding a horse, went to the gas station and tried to pump $10 in the horse's ass. The horse died not even half a mile down the street. He go to jail for that. My other uncle, he's watching TV, the Lone Ranger getting ready to get shot in the back. He go get his pistol and shoot at the TV. My other uncle, he likes to drink Jack Daniels and chase it down with beer. The dude owe him money at the club. He go up on the dude and bite him on the whole jaw and ask him for his money. I'm like, then my uncle let his jaw go. My uncle sitting there ready to fight. Dude walk away, and my uncle called him, talking about he's a coward. Let me tell you something. If any dude walk, I don't care who I'm with. I can be with the preacher, a deacon. I don't care who I'm with. I can be with my wife, my mom, the kid. I don't care who I'm with. If anybody come and bite me on the side of my face because I owe them some money, you don't have to owe you no money. It could be whatever the case may be. If you bite me on the side of my face, I'm just leaving. And nothing else I can do. Why would I try to fight somebody who would beat me on my face? You don't know what else could happen. That's it. I'd be a coward. Bite me and I'm gone.